Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of Claude Code and its impressive capabilities for creating diagrams. While many know Claude Code as a tool for coding, it's also a powerful assistant for visualizing complex ideas. In this video, we'll explore how Claude Code can help you design user flows, business processes, charts, and even scientific diagrams. Whether you're a designer, developer, or just curious about AI-powered design, you'll find practical tips and real examples here. Let's start by understanding what makes Claude Code unique for diagram creation and why it's gaining traction among UX professionals. Claude Code isn't just for writing scripts or automating tasks. It's a versatile platform that supports diagram creation for a variety of scenarios. From simple block diagrams to intricate data visualizations, Claude Code adapts to your needs. This flexibility makes it a valuable tool for both web and desktop environments. In the next scenes, we'll see how Claude Code streamlines the process of turning prompts into clear, editable diagrams, saving time and enhancing collaboration for teams. Block diagrams are foundational in visualizing processes and systems. Claude Code excels at generating user flow diagrams, business process diagrams, and flowcharts. By simply submitting a prompt, you can quickly receive a structured diagram that outlines the steps or components of your project. This is especially useful for mapping out user journeys or business pipelines, making complex processes easy to understand at a glance. Let's look at a practical example: creating a user flow diagram for a checkout process in an e-commerce website. By entering a simple prompt in Claude Code for desktop, the tool automatically integrates with Figma, generating a detailed diagram. This integration allows you to further refine your diagram in FigJam, ensuring it matches your project's needs. The result is a clear visual representation of each step a user takes during checkout, which is invaluable for UX design. Next, Claude Code can generate business process pipeline diagrams. For example, submitting a prompt to show a pipeline for a food retailer results in a diagram that maps out each stage of the business process. This is especially helpful for teams needing to visualize workflows, identify bottlenecks, or communicate procedures clearly. The ability to edit these diagrams in Figma further enhances collaboration and customization. Claude Code also supports the creation of flowcharts, which are ideal for illustrating step-by-step processes. For instance, you can prompt Claude Code to create a flowchart for testing a light bulb. The resulting diagram lays out each decision point and action, making it easy to follow the logic of the process. This is particularly useful for technical documentation, troubleshooting guides, or training materials. If you want more than a static diagram, Claude Code can generate interactive diagrams. By specifying interactive in your prompt, you receive a diagram that allows for user interaction, such as clicking through steps or exploring different branches. This feature is excellent for presentations, educational content, or any scenario where engagement and exploration are key. Moving into data visualization, Claude Code can create interactive bar charts. These charts are perfect for analyzing customer segments, sales data, or any categorical information. For example, you can prompt Claude Code to generate a bar chart showing different age groups of Tesco customers. The tool automatically decides the best layout, vertical or horizontal, based on the data, ensuring clarity and readability. Claude Code gives you control over the layout of your bar charts. By specifying your preference in the prompt, you can choose between vertical and horizontal bars. For instance, when visualizing the breakdown of expenses for a UK retailer, Claude Code can present the data in a horizontal bar chart for better comparison. This customization ensures your data is always presented in the most effective way. Pie charts are another visualization tool available in Claude Code. They're ideal for showing proportions and distributions. You can easily convert a bar chart to a pie chart by referencing the same data. For example, visualizing the breakdown of expenses for a retailer as a pie chart provides a clear snapshot of how resources are allocated across categories. Line charts are perfect for visualizing trends over time or across categories. Claude Code can generate line charts to show changes, such as the population of different neighborhoods in London. By simply entering a descriptive prompt, you receive a chart that makes it easy to spot patterns and shifts, supporting data-driven decision-making. Claude Code isn't limited to simple charts. It can also help you explain complex technologies or systems with step-by-step visualizations. For example, you can prompt it to create a diagram explaining how Apple Pay works. The resulting visualization breaks down each stage of the process, making even intricate subjects accessible and engaging. Beyond business and technology, Claude Code can visualize scientific and medical concepts. For example, you can create an interactive diagram showing how DNA works. This capability is invaluable for educators, students, and professionals who need to communicate complex scientific ideas in a clear visual format. While Claude Code is powerful, it's important to note that complex diagrams may sometimes have visual defects, such as text overflow or misaligned elements. This is a common challenge, especially with intricate scientific diagrams. Being aware of these limitations allows you to plan for manual adjustments or use external tools like Figma for final refinements. To get the best results from Claude Code, craft your prompts carefully. Be specific about the type of diagram, the data to include, and any preferences for layout or interactivity. For example, mentioning interactive or specifying horizontal bars can significantly influence the output. Clear prompts lead to diagrams that are more aligned with your project goals. One of Claude Code's standout features is its seamless integration with Figma and FigJam. This allows you to edit and refine diagrams collaboratively, making it easier to iterate on designs and ensure accuracy. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, this integration streamlines the workflow from concept to final visualization. Interactive charts created by Claude Code aren't just static images. They can respond to user actions. For example, you can click on segments of a pie chart to reveal more details, or hover over line chart points for precise data. This interactivity enhances presentations and makes data exploration more engaging for your audience. For UX designers, Claude Code is a game changer. It accelerates the creation of user flows, wireframes, and data visualizations, freeing up time for deeper design thinking. By automating diagram generation, designers can focus on refining user experiences rather than spending hours on manual drawing. Businesses can leverage Claude Code for process mapping, reporting, and strategic planning. By visualizing workflows and data, teams can identify inefficiencies, communicate strategies, and make informed decisions. The ability to quickly generate and edit diagrams makes it a valuable asset for any organization. Educators and students can use Claude Code to visualize lessons, explain scientific concepts, or create interactive study materials. The tool's ability to generate clear, engaging diagrams supports better understanding and retention, making learning more interactive and effective. While Claude Code is powerful, it's not perfect. Complex diagrams may require manual adjustments, and some visual defects can occur. To overcome these, use Figma for final tweaks, or break down complex diagrams into simpler components. Staying flexible ensures you get the most out of the tool. To maximize the effectiveness of your diagrams, keep them simple and focused. Use clear labels, consistent colors, and logical layouts. Claude Code helps with structure, but your input ensures the diagrams communicate the right message. Always review and refine before sharing with your team or audience. When using AI tools like Claude Code, always consider the security and privacy of your data. Avoid sharing sensitive information in prompts, and ensure your diagrams comply with your organization's data policies. Responsible use protects both your work and your users. Claude Code is continuously evolving, with new features and improvements released regularly. Stay updated by following guides and resources, such as the Practical Guide for Product Designers. Keeping up with updates ensures you're leveraging the latest capabilities for your projects. Join the growing community of Claude Code users to share tips, troubleshoot issues, and discover creative uses for diagram generation. Online forums, social media groups, and official documentation are great places to connect and learn from others' experiences. AI-powered diagramming tools like Claude Code are shaping the future of design and communication. As these tools become more advanced, expect even greater automation, smarter layouts, and deeper integration with other platforms. Staying ahead of these trends will give you a competitive edge in your field. Let's recap. Claude Code is a versatile tool for creating a wide range of diagrams, from user flows to scientific visualizations. Its integration with Figma, support for interactive charts, and adaptability to different scenarios make it a valuable asset for designers, businesses, and educators alike. Remember to craft clear prompts, review outputs, and leverage community resources for the best results. Ready to try Claude Code for yourself? Start by identifying a process or dataset you want to visualize. Write a clear, specific prompt and let Claude Code generate your first diagram. Experiment with different diagram types and layouts to discover what works best for your needs. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. To master Claude Code, explore official guides, tutorials, and community forums. These resources offer practical insights, troubleshooting tips, and inspiration for creative diagramming. Continuous learning ensures you stay up to date and make the most of this powerful tool. Claude Code opens up new possibilities for diagram creation, making it easier than ever to visualize ideas, processes, and data. Whether you're designing user flows, analyzing business data, or teaching complex concepts, this tool empowers you to communicate visually with clarity and impact. Embrace the future of AI-powered design and start creating your own diagrams today.